I don't know if you've noticed what is happening lately on YouTube. A lot of channels are appearing and a lot of channels are really similar to each other. So for example, we're going to watch these two channels. This one, Sack.day Films, and this one, Simply How. And if you go to the shorts place on each of these channels, you can notice that they have content that it's really similar. So watching both of them, they are the same characters, same styles. So for example, if I open one of the
If
videos
you
here,
go to sleep and suddenly feel like you're falling,
then you can watch, like for example, the captions inside the video or the style of the video that is already happening. And if we go to the other channel, we can do something
they'd be tied
similar.
with ropes
So
and dragged under the ship's
it's
hull.
the same style of captions, same style of videos, and both are having a lot of success. So you can watch both of them. So one has almost 1 million subscribers and the other one has 18 million subscribers. There is a huge difference between both of them, but there is a huge difference also the amount of videos that they have created, because this channel, for example, has only created 60 videos while this other has created 1000 videos, and both are really successful. So welcome to this first video on the series of how to create Faceless YouTube automation videos. So we are going to do a full course divided in 12 parts, and this is going to be the first one. Here we are going to learn if copying videos or copying the style of other channels is going to be successful also for our own channel. Can we copy the style of the videos? Do we have to change the thumbnails? Do we have to change the scripts? Can we do it exactly the same? We are going to analyze all of these things while we create our own channel from zero during this course. And at the end of the 12 videos, we are going to analyze how our channels have performed over the time. So, for example, if I got this URL from this channel and I go to the website socialblade.com, I can copy the channel. So I can copy the username from the channel. So in this case, it would be simply how, and I can get some data about this channel. So here, simply how, for example, is I can see that they have 60 uploads, so over 700,000 subscribers, over 200 million views, the country and everything. And I can see the views for the last 30 days. So the subscribers for the last 30 days, the estimated monthly earnings. So this is just estimated. So there is a huge variance and it depends a lot on the ads that they are doing. So YouTube AdSense, and also maybe they have other ways of earning money that these kind of websites don't notice. So for example, if I sell a course or if I sell a membership or anything, it's not going to appear here. And we can see that this can be quite lucrative to have this kind of channels just with YouTube Shorts. So we need to analyze well these kind of channels, how are they performing, which type of content are they doing, and after we have analyzed them, we can start thinking, okay, can I copy these channels directly? Because these two are really similar. So they are doing the same style of videos, same style of captions, but they are having like little changes in each video. So Zack and Simply How have little differences. Like for example, the main story that they are telling about, or a little bit of how they introduce the characters or how they introduce the problem inside the video and everything. So we have to analyze everything super well and check if we can create these videos. To create all the videos, I'm going to be using Videotok. So this is a platform that lets me create faceless videos using AI. But I have the full control of the video that I'm creating. So I have the full control of the script, the images that I'm going to introduce, how the story is going to be. I can edit everything. I can introduce effects, backgrounds. I can do a lot of things that we are going to see during the video, and it's super useful, this tool. In the comments of this video or in the box in the description, you are going to see a discount that you can use in the platform if you want to try it. So this is videotok.app and you can try the platform, and we will create our own channels using this platform. But before everything, before creating our own channel, we have to choose a topic. So which is the topic that we are going to use? Let's try to find it. So best ways to find the topic is, for me, is here in the youtube.com/feed/trending. We are going to see all the videos that are trending in our region right now. So for example, these are the videos that are trending in Italy for me. and also in the kind of topics that are from the last videos that you have watching and everything. Here you can see a lot of trending videos, so you can get some ideas, or we can go to the main page of YouTube. For example, I'm in the videotok channel right now, and in the videotok channel I create faceless videos or videos about YouTube automation, so I can see a lot of trending things that are trending right now. And for this, I recommend to use some Chrome extensions. So for example, this one that you see here, these videos have like, for example, 21x or 5.8x or 36x. This is how well a video is performing against other videos in the same channel. So for example, if I go to this channel, Grow with Cats, and I go to the videos tab, here we can see some data. Like for example, this video is performing 0.2x, this one 0.4, this one 1.4, this one 0.2. So this is how well these kind of videos are performing against the other videos in the same channel. So what we have to look is for videos that have at least a 2.5x or a 3x over the rest of the video. So for example, if I'm creating videos about YouTube automation or faceless YouTube video creation or anything similar, I could look for this kind of videos. For example, this one that has a 5.8x. So this kind of video, I found a new and low competitive niche for YouTube and TikTok. It's performing quite well compared to the others. So if I create something similar, it's probably that it's going to work for me. If I choose one of these topics that has only a 0.8x or a 0.5x, it's not going to work so well. So probably if this YouTube channel hasn't achieved to make it work, it's not going to work also for you. So I will look only for this kind of videos. So how we can get this? So I'm using the VDIC extension. So if you search on Google for VDIC Chrome extension, you are going to see it. You can install it. And once you go to YouTube back, you are going to start to see this kind of numbers inside the videos. And the number on the left is the number of views that the video has gotten in the last hour. So we can see also how well it's performing the videos over time. So if I go to back to the videos that were created way earlier, we can see that, for example, this one is working super well and it's still getting a lot of views. So we check how many views are getting the videos right now in the channel and we compare it to this one from 7 months ago. We can see that these videos also from 7 months ago are still working and are providing some revenue to this kind of channels. So this is a way of finding, okay, what is trending, what is working and everything. But for our own channel, we have to get just one niche. So we have to get one style, one topic that we are going to be talking during time. And when we create faceless YouTube channels or for doing YouTube automation, we have to get like different channels. We cannot create only one channel and in that channel we talk about football or we talk about NBA or we talk about tennis all together in the same channel. What is better is to create one channel for football, one channel for tennis and one channel for the NBA. So we can test different channels, different topics and check which channels are working and which channels are not working, and then we can discard the channels that are not working. But there is another way to decide which is going to be the main topic of our channel, and it's going to Google Trends. So we can go to trends.google.com and search for trends over time. So what I do is select all the world, then I select the last 5 years, and then here we can do like some searches. But we have to look here. In this last button that we have in the Google Trends, normally we have web searches. We have to change web searches for YouTube searches. Why? Because we are going to create videos for YouTube and this is going to give us the main searches that people are doing inside YouTube, and then we can here find some trend. Like for example, if I look for documentaries, we can see that over the last 5 years, documentaries are becoming more and more popular. So people are looking for this even more right now in YouTube than before. So probably it's a good idea to test a channel about documentaries. But then we can search for other things, like for example, AI documentaries, and we are going to see both of them. So AI documentaries is not really a niche that people is looking for. If I choose AI, I can see that AI is super popular right now compared to the commentaries, and it's increasing. So probably I can do one of my YouTube automation channels about AI and the news that AI are happening and everything that it's related to the AI. And we can search for other things, like for example soccer, or we can search for NBA, or we can search for tennis. So we can compare different topics, how well are working, and if they are becoming trending or not. Like for example here, if I would have to choose two topics, probably it will be one for the AI and another one for the NBA. But we can compare more things. So we have to choose between all this information that we have right here and all the information that we have found from YouTube. Great. But once we decide a topic, for example, I'm going to start with AI, we have to start analyzing on YouTube what are people doing related with AI. So for example, if I go here, I can search AI latest news and I can start looking at which kind of videos are people doing. So for example, if they are doing shorts or they are doing long videos, etc. So for example, this
Top
video,
AI news of the week in 60
we can
seconds. OpenAI.
Okay, we can see that they are talking and introducing some videos over, some images, this style of captions and everything. It seems it's working. So this kind of video, it seems that it's working. Probably we can do something similar. We can check the YouTube channel to see if it's working well for them or not. Yeah, we can see here, for example, they have quite a huge number of subscribers, huge amount of videos. We can check if they are doing also long videos. Yeah, we can see that they are doing long videos. Long videos are not working really well for them. We could analyze these kind of videos, why they are not working or something. And here in the shorts, we can check also which are the kind of videos that are working for them. So we can filter for the popular ones, and probably the ones that are working better are the ones that they are explaining things related with AI. So here, this is a popular channel that talks about AI with faceless videos also. So they have some long videos. They are not doing shorts, so probably it's a good opportunity to take these long videos and divide them in creating 10 shorts for each video, and not really just copying this URL, pasting it in a platform that divides the video in 10 clips. So probably it's better to create 10 videos from zero that are directly focused only for the shorts. So I'm going to do something like this. Like for example, this kind of videos, we are going to check which ones got better views. The end of software engineers from Mark Zuckerberg. This is working quite well. So I'm going to start a YouTube channel related to this, and let's see how it works. So for example, here, if I got this style of videos, should I copy the title of the video? Should I copy the thumbnail? Should I copy the full script? Or we can do something different? Let's try to do it. So for example, what I could do is I could go to a Google Doc or Notion or something, and I could say, okay, AI niche is going to be AI news, but short style. So I'm going to do an AI niche related with short news. And here, for the first videos, I'm going to get this title. This is from this video. And here, if we are using the video extension, we can get also the thumbnail from the video. So probably if it hasn't loaded, we can refresh and see if it's going to load or not. If it's not going to load, we will get it later. But I would copy the thumbnail from the video, paste it here also, so we can use it later to check if it's going to be similar or not. So let's start our channel. We are going to start creating 10 shorts for this topic. Yeah, we can create several ones for this topic. So what I could do is come to videotok.app, and here we can sign up or sign in. If I click on sign up, I can enter my email, my password, and repeat the password, or I can just enter with Google. I already have an account, so I'm going to enter with Google. And once inside the platform, we are going to see all of this. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to upgrade. So you will have here a button to upgrade, or you can go to settings, subscription, choose the plan that works better for you. Remember that in the description of this video, you have a discount to use the platform. And here we can start creating videos. For example, here I'm going to get the URL of the video. I'm going to come to videotok, and here I have YouTube reference. So I can enter the URL. And now the platform Videotalk is going to use the script of that video to get all the info that I need. And here I can say the script, so what I want. So super short and concise video for YouTube with the vision from Zuckerberg. So we give the instruction. So what do we want to create? Do it controversial. So I'm going to do it controversial. So we can solve it here. And then Videotalk gives us a lot of options that we can choose to create our video. The one that I like most is the select brand. So here we can create multiple brands, one for each of our YouTube channels. So for example, here, this is super useful. So I have different brands here created, but we could create new brands. So if I go to the left on personal brand, I can come here, and here we have so different brands. And if I scroll to the end, I can add a new brand. Here it has added the new brand. It's this one, brand whale. I can modify it so AI sorts news. And here we can give like hooks. So for example, we can enter different main sentences that in all of our videos we want to have. So here we could paste a hook, and here I can add like sample scripts. So if I created like already 5 YouTube shorts, I could get those scripts and paste them here. So one here, one here, one here, and we could download also them. So we can add here more samples, or we can upload them. So for example, I can download a video from TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, upload the video here, and it will get the transcript for us automatically, and we can paste it here already. So this is quite good because then when we create the video, we can select that brand, and once we select that brand, we can select the hook, we can select the call to action of that brand, and then we can give to the AI all the scripts that we have done in the past. So the AI is going to do a super similar video for us in the same style of that brand. And then the aspect ratio. So for a vertical video, for a short, I'm going to keep this one. The duration, so I'm going to keep it under 30 seconds. And then I can choose the style of the images. So I can choose to have like Google images, real images from that news, some AI images, or some animated images or stock videos. So I'm going to go with Google Images. I'm going to choose in English. So I want this channel to be in English, and then I can select like different voices. So I am going to test some of them.
Hey, welcome to Video.
Hey, I'm Videotok.
Hey, welcome to Videotalk. Hope you like the
Okay,
platform
I'm
and
going
share it
to
with your
choose
friends.
this one, Dexter, and then I'm going to click on generate video. Now Videotalk is going to get all the transcript from the long video that we have, and it's going to give us a 30 seconds script. So here at the bottom, we can see more or less how it's going to be, the video length, but then we can modify this script. So for example, here it has done Zuckerberg claims AI will replace engineers by 2025. But here is what they are not telling you. While Meta CEO, so the script, it's quite good. We can modify it, add new things, etc. But for me, it's good enough. So I'm going to click on next. And now the platform is going to give me like a storyboard. So I'm going to have like different searches that the platform is going to do in Google Images to get the images for me. So here I can see like, for example, Zuckerberg podcast interview. So I can modify these prompts to get exactly the images that I want. So Meta AI, the AI writing code, software developers, World Economic Forum. So here like we have some different technology demand increase, Apple, AI system developers, developers writing code, commanding AI systems, AI agents powered. So LLM, AI agents. So here we can modify like different searches that the platform is going to do automatically for us, and they will get all the images for our video, and it will create it from zero for us. So I'm going to click on create video, and then the video is going to start. Meanwhile, I want to create several videos about this topic. So now I'm going to change, and I'm going to do another topic. So the end of software is happening. Here is what you need to do if you are a developer. So here is going to be another topic. I'm going to keep also the Google images, also in English, also the same voice, everything. And here it's going to give me another topic. Okay, perfect. Next. And I'm going to leave all these searches by default. So I'm going to trust videotok, and here I'm going to change a little bit the news. So for example, I know that Mark Zuckerberg has said this, so I'm going to go to Google, Zuckerberg, and here it will have like different videos or different news or anything. So here, what I could do is, okay, I could get a URL, paste it here in add reference URLs, and paste here why Zuckerberg is wrong, controversial views against him. So I can give another topic, generate the video. It's going to get all the info from this URL, and we could paste more URLs. So we could paste up to 5 URLs, and here it gave us another script. So I'm going to generate the image prompts and create the video. And now the platform is going to create the video for us. So here, for example, I could see that we have our latest 2 videos already created for us. So the platform has been super fast. I can open the video, the first one, and here we can see the images. Here we can see that the platform has added different images for us already in the video, and we can start modifying everything. Let me watch the video a little bit and we can check how it looks. I'm going to put it in 2x so we can watch it super fast, and we can change the captions and everything.
Zuckerberg claims AI replaced engineers in 2025, but here's what they're not telling you. Tennessee AI write most codes developed don't go anywhere. The world cannot form software development as the fourth fastest point by 2030. Why? Because technology becomes more fixed, demand increases. Companies like Apple are now hiring developers who
And
can
we
already
can
create AI
modify
systems. So developers writing code, they'll be planning of AI agents, making them more powerful than ever before. Zuckerberg.
So now it has created the full video for us. Now we can start modifying things. So for example, what I could do is I would come here, I can resize things, and here I can search, for example, for a GIF, Zuckerberg. Here we have some things, and we can start adding some GIFs. So for example, also the images that we don't like it, we can search for other things. If we have added previous images, in this case, I didn't add anything about Mark Zuckerberg, so I don't have previous images related to this. If I look for AI, here I have like different images that have been created in the past related with AI, and I can choose one of them to add it inside my video, and it will change here everything. Here also we can look for other ones, so we have like different GIFs that we can add inside the platform. Here, Apple company, so I'm going to change the logo by another thing from Apple here. So here, then we can check them.
Apple are now hiring developers.
And here we have like different things that we can add. So like OpenAI for LLMs or ChatGPT. Let's search better for ChatGPT and replace it here. So here we have this. So for example, now here we have like some images that they don't look so well. What I'm going to do is add backgrounds in bulk. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to choose like an animated one that has a video, and I'm going to add this one with paper, but then I want other images that don't have any background. So I'm going to click also on empty. I'm going to apply it to all, and then you can see that some images now have these backgrounds and some images don't have the background. Another thing I can do is reduce the image movement. So I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to add transitions in the same way. So slide, film burn, and then ones that are empty without any transition. And then I can change something here in the bulk layout. So I can click here, square, and then these two. And then you can see that the images have different styles. So here, and then for example, we can come here to this GIF, hover over it, change the background for it, or change the layout for it. So here, for example, one with a square, it could be better because now I can see the GIF well. What are AI agents? Perfect, some explanations about AI. So here I'm going to change this also so we can check it better. I'm going to go for this one. Perfect. For this one, to look it better, I'm going to add a background, and then I'm going to change the layout to this square one. So looks much better for me. And here we can change. So for example, I can see here, we can change also the style of the things already. So I'm going to go for this one. I'm going to go with free visible words. We can add some music to the video, so we can change once. So here example, this one.
Zuckerberg claims AI will replace engineers by 2025, but here's what they're not telling you. While Meta's CEO predicts AI will write most code, software developers aren't going anywhere. The World Economic Forum ranks software development as the fourth fastest growing job by 2030. Why? Because when technology becomes more efficient, demand actually increases. Companies like Apple are now hiring developers who...
We're gonna like some effects. So for example, the iPhone camera between some transitions. I really like to add this effect between some of them. And here, not to everyone, because if not, it's going to be too much. And then we have the full video, we can export it. So now it's rendering and we have already our...
Zuckerberg claims AI will replace engineers by 2025, but here's what they're not telling you. While Meta's CEO predicts AI will write most code, software developers aren't going anywhere. The World Economic Forum ranks software development as the fourth fastest growing job by 2030. Why? Because when technology becomes more efficient, demand actually increases. Companies like Apple are now hiring developers who can orchestrate AI systems. So developers won't be writing code, they'll be commanding armies of AI agents, making them more powerful than ever before.
Perfect. So our video is created, we can download it, and we can go to another video and start working on it. If we want to publish it in YouTube, we can come here to the publish section, click here on generate, and here it's going to give us all the info that we need to just copy and paste inside YouTube and publish our video. And here we can come to the other videos that we have been creating and start working on them or leave them already like they are. If we want to do things super fast, we can add backgrounds in bulk. So for example, I would add here, and then here empty. Then I would add here the transition super fast. I would add also the style of the layouts here super fast. Add the music, reduce the volume for the music, add some intro effects. Then I would come here, select another style for the words. So for example here,
Mark Zuckerberg's
the use here, increases a little bit the speed, and then export the video. And it's already created super fast. We are just have changed some things here, and then here we have our full video. If we want to change some things, like for example, just here, Zuckerberg, is that we don't like it, so we can add another GIFs super fast here, and we have like GIFs.
needs, solving complex problems.
So here we can download the video. I can render it again if I have changed anything inside the video, and then I can download it. So now we have the topic, we have started to create our videos, we have to create our channel. So what we would do is come to YouTube. So I will click here to generate this one. I would go back to YouTube. So let's go to YouTube and let's create a channel so we can start publishing all of our content and see how it performs during time. Probably in the first day, second day, third day is not going to work, but we have to be continuously publishing during 3 months. Let's create different channels. So probably it's going to be better to create 5-10 channels with different topics, and then we can see how it's working. So how we can create a channel, it's we can go to on the right, click to change the channel, and then we can create another channels for our accounts. So here I can go to create a channel. I'm going to give a name, AI News Video Talk, create channel. We can add an image and everything, but at the beginning it's not really important to have all these things. We can add these things later. So now I have the channel, it is created. Let's publish our first videos. So I already downloaded both of them. So I have one here, so I'm going to just duplicate here the screen, and I will go back to the previous one that we have created. Open it, go to the Publish tab. Here I have all this info. I can click also on YouTube, so I can click on generate here, and it's going to give me a lot of info that it's going to be super useful also for YouTube. Here if we want to publish it inside Reels or TikTok. And here I have the title for the video, so I will just copy paste it. Here I have the summary, so I would paste that in the description, and then not for kids. And then here on the hashtags, I would come here at the bottom, I have all these hashtags, just copy, come here, and paste them. So here now we have all the hashtags. Then next, public. And the video is already published. And then we can go for other one. So let's publish the second video. So here we are pasting it, and here I have the title. So let's do the same. Copy the title, copy the summary, copy the hashtags. So here, not for kids, let's go to the bottom, copy the hashtags here, next, 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 and public. And we have started already to publish our first videos in just a few minutes. So here, the videos are being generated. Once they are ready, and they will be published. And we can continue to publish other videos about the same topic with different news or with different sources. So for example, here we have other sources, or we have other YouTube videos talking about the same things. So probably we can get these videos also, paste it as a reference here, and create like 10 videos about this topic. And then we can go to other channels that are talking about something similar. So AI news, and search for things. So we are copying, but not copying. So we are checking which is the content that is working for this kind of channel. So for example, here I can see also their shorts. So which shorts are working for them, or which long videos are working for them. So here, this one, 182K. Google AI now can see everything. So probably I can get this.
Well, it's been a heck of a week for AI news.
Copy the video URL, come to videotok, add it as a reference. So here, add, and here, Google now can see. If we create a brand, we can then select the brand and select all the past styles of the videos, because the style of the script and how we are telling the things inside of the video is really, really important. So probably we can paste the brand and start creating more and more and more videos related to these things, having always the same voice. So we have always the same style with the same captions and everything. And then we can create a lot of videos for our channel every day. So let me know if this works for you. Let me know if this video has helped you and if you want to know more things. So we are going to create more videos in this course. This is just the first one. So we know how to create videos similar to other channels and to other videos that are working for other people. And let's see if they work. So during the next 3 months, we are going to be working on these channels and see what we can achieve with this kind of channels. So see you in the next videos in the course.